Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to download and install Python and also how to set it up with Pycharm. So I'll be showing you these two in this video. So let's get started. So just go to Google and type download Python. You'll be getting the first link for python.org's download. Just click on download Python. And in this you'll be having the download option, and here also you're having download Python 3.11.4, which is the latest version. Just click on that and your download will be getting automatically started. It is just about 24 MB in size, so pretty fast download. So once the download is complete, just click on open and you'll be getting the install Python setup. And in this you need to make sure that you are checking this particular option, okay? Add python.exe to path. Be careful there, and I will just go with the default path and I'll just click on install now. I'll just click yes. So it will take some time for the Python setup to install. So once we are done installing, we will be getting setup was successful. Just click on close. Now we are done. So next thing we need to check if we have successfully installed Python. So for doing that, just go to search and open your command prompt. I'll just zoom it to the max and I'll just type python -- version. So here you can see that I'm getting the latest version, that the version that we just saw earlier. So after doing this, if you want to run some code immediately, what you can do is just go to search and you can search for idle. So you'll be getting this idle Python app. Just click on open and you'll be getting the Python shell in case if you want to run some commands like print, let me say 1 2 3. You can just run and check any Python commands that you want, and in case if you want to run a full program, you can just click on file, new file, and you'll be getting a file opened. So let me just now save it first. So I'll just say Python trial program, maybe I'll just click on save and I'll just run just a print. That's it, print hello world, the famous hello world program, and run it. So I'll be getting the output. So this is a place where you can run standard Python programs, and in case if you aren't getting the version when you type python -- version, just go to search and type edit the system environment variables. Just go for environment variables, and in this you'll be having the path. Okay, so this is the path under user variables. You'll be having the path. Just click on edit and make sure that you have these two paths added: local programs Python scripts and local programs Python. So in case if it is not working, alright. So once we are done installing Python, just go to Google and again type download Pycharm. You'll be having the first link over here, jetbrains.com Pycharm download. Just click that, and this is Pycharm for professional. If you want, you can get this, but the Pycharm community edition is a free one. Here you can see that it's free and built on open source. So just click on download over here and your download will be getting started. So it is about 400 MB in size, so just be patient. So once Pycharm is downloaded, just click on open and just click on yes, and you'll be getting the Pycharm community edition setup. Just click next, and this is the location where Pycharm is going to get installed. If you want, you can just browse and change the location. So once you are done selecting the location, just click on next, and I would recommend you to check everything over here. Yeah, that's the best thing to do. And if you don't check this now, you'll be facing some errors in the future, so it's always better to check everything. It's just a standard stuff. Just click on next, and this is fine, install. So just be patient till it gets installed. So once the installation process is done, you will be getting a screen like this, and you can just select I want to manually reboot later and just click on finish. So now Pycharm has been successfully installed. So just go to search and type Pycharm. You'll be getting the first thing as an app. Just click on open. So just click on I confirm and just click on continue and just click on don't send. So this is what you will get at the first time of opening Pycharm. So just click on new project, and if you already have some existing project, click on open. I don't have anything, so I will just click on new project. So this is the default location in which our Python files or project will be stored in case if you are working with Pycharm. If you want to configure it, you can just click this browse and change it. And here you can see the base interpreter. This has been automatically recognized by Pycharm, and And if you have some other versions of Python, if you just click and you can just change it. I'm having this only one version, so that's around displayed for me. So this is now fine and everything is fine, and just click on create. So you'll be getting a main.py, like this is like a default file that gets displayed over here. And if you want to like add a file here into this project, right click it and you can click new Python file, and I will name the file as trail and click on Python file. So I'll just have a print statement, print from trail file, like that. And here you can see, right, this particular configuration for running is for the main file. So if I just click on run, this main file will be getting executed. So here you can see that hi Pycharm, and we are passing the name over here. So if I just now like completely remove this thing, and if I just put hello and run it, we'll be getting hello over here. So here you can see, right, so this is the thing. And now I have created a new file named as trail.py. So what we need to do is I'll just click that, and I will just like click this one and click on edit, and we need to basically change the location of this main.py. Now we are having trail.py, right? So I'll just click that, and I'll just select trail.py and click on OK. And this is fine, rest is fine. This is the Python version, interpreter version. Yeah, everything is fine. Just click on apply and just click on, and you can just change the name. Yeah, this is also fine. Let me change to trail and just click on apply again and run. So here you can see, right, now every time I make some change, and if I just now run it, I'll be getting from this particular file. So this is the way how you need to like configure and run in case if you are like creating a new .py file. So that's it guys, we have successfully set up Pycharm for Python, and I hope you would have found this video useful. Do check the playlist of my channel. I've done many tutorials in C, C++, Java, Python, Node.js, React.js, MongoDB, MySQL, Spring Boot, CRUD operations, as well as Figma and 3D animation using Blender. Check them out, subscribe me. Thanks for watching.